Hi everyone, so this is a quick beauty tip video and it's in relation to makeup brush cleaning. Specifically easy, hassle-free cleaning on the go that might save you some money. So this is for those of you who are not wanting to worry about carrying makeup brush cleaner or having access to water and soap. If you're traveling or if you're just at work and you want to take, say for example, just one brush to do your whole eye look and not worry too much, this is a tip for you. I'm talking about those wonderful inventions that came out a little while ago, those makeup brush sponge things in the cans. These are the things I'm talking about up here. They're great, fantastic idea, and they work, but they can be quite pricey, generally around $15 or so. I've seen some for around the $26 mark, some even more, depending on where you buy it and what brand you buy. But using a few things I found around the house, I was able to get the same result for only a few dollars, less than $5 for one of them, and the other one was only $1 after everything. So if you are interested, here's how I did it. So I like to wear my hair in hair donuts. I still use them, but sometimes the stitching comes undone, so that's fine. You can use one of the old hair donuts that you might not be using in your hair anymore. Just pop it in the washing machine in a wash bag and then you're good to go. You can use it. And that's how you clean them as well, in between uses. I'm talking about these things. These are the hair donuts. You can get different sizes, and this one is a small size. I got two for $2, so essentially $1 each. I also had this container laying around the house. It's just one of the Lush containers that holds their shampoo and conditioner bars. I had heaps of them and really nothing to do with them anymore because I'm just not using them. But they perfectly fit the small hair donut. So altogether, I had this laying around the house. The hair donut was essentially $1 because it was 2 for 2. So that's really, really inexpensive compared to the $15 that you might pay at the shop or more. If you don't have access to that though, even if you're traveling, you might see these quite frequently. They're soap holders. The larger donuts fit perfectly inside that as well. It might not look as nice and as compact, but it's still quite cheap. Altogether, this came to around $4. So again, still really inexpensive, but it works. So I will show you how they work if you haven't seen them already. So say you're doing an eye look and you're wanting to use a few different colors, but you don't want to have to worry about washing the brushes or having lots of brushes. You've only got the one. So you go into this beautiful blue, you apply it on your eye. Everything's looking fantastic. But now you want to go for a gold or a lighter colour even. Well, what you would do is you would get your little hair donut in a tin, wipe the brush over. Now inside the tin it is literally just the hair donut. There's no water or chemicals or anything, just the hair donut. Just wipe it off, gently swirling it. Takes all the excess powder off the brush. So it's a nice clean brush, easy for on the go, and then you can dip into the next colour and repeat as necessary. So I hope you all enjoyed my quick beauty tip. For those of you that aren't already doing this little beauty hack that can save you some money, again, like I said, once it gets dirty, just take it out of the tin, just like this, and put it in a wash bag, put it in the wash, in the washing machine, even with towels, anything like that, and you're done. Take it out, it's nice and clean, put it back in, and you've got a really inexpensive makeup brush sponge cleaner in a tin. That is my quick beauty tip. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you're not already doing this yourself, I hope that you learnt something and might be able to save a little bit of money as well. If you have any tips yourself, or if you're wanting some tips, please leave them down in the comments below, what kinds of things you're interested in, and I will see if I can come up with something for you. Again, I hope you all enjoyed this video and are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.